HD, high definition. This is the baseline for good video quality. HD videos on YouTube typically have a resolution of 720p, which means they consist of 1280 by 720 pixels per frame. Full HD, also known as 1080p, Full HD videos boast a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels per frame, delivering sharper visuals compared to HD. Identifying the resolution of a video on YouTube is straightforward. Video settings. While watching a video, click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the player to access video settings. Select the highest resolution your device and internet connection can handle for the best quality. Video information. Beneath the video player, click on the More tab and then Statistics. In the Statistics window, look for the Resolution section to find the video's resolution. Higher resolution videos offer greater clarity and detail, making them ideal for large screens and immersive viewing experiences. Less compression. Videos with high bitrates are less compressed. Compression is necessary to reduce file sizes for efficient streaming, but excessive compression can lead to a loss of video quality. High bitrate videos retain more of their original quality, ensuring you see the video as the creator intended. Dynamic scenes. Bitrates are especially crucial for videos with dynamic scenes, such as action sequences, fast-paced gameplay, or intricate animations. Higher bitrates allow these scenes to maintain their sharpness and clarity, preventing pixelation or blurriness. Detail preservation. Videos with high bitrates preserve fine details, subtle color gradients, and textures more effectively. This is essential for videos showcasing art, cinematography, or any content where visual nuances matter. Unfortunately, YouTube does not display video bitrates directly in its user interface. However, you can estimate the video's bitrate by examining the video resolution and file size. Here's how. File size. Videos with larger file sizes generally have higher bitrates. You can check the file size by right-clicking the video and selecting Stats for Nerds. Look for the Video bitrate or Media bitrate section to get an approximate value. Resolution. As mentioned in Section 1, higher resolution videos tend to have higher bitrates. Videos in 4K or 8K resolutions are more likely to have substantial bitrates. Verified accounts. Videos uploaded by verified accounts, especially those of professional content creators and organizations, often prioritize quality. They are more likely to invest in high bitrates to provide viewers with exceptional experiences. Quality-centric channels. Some YouTube channels specialize in producing high-quality content. They are dedicated to maintaining high bitrates to ensure their videos shine. Video reviews. If you're searching for a specific type of content, e.g., movie trailers, gameplay footage, look for video reviews or analysis by experts. They often upload videos in the highest possible quality to scrutinize every detail. Check the video description. Creators who take pride in their video quality may mention the resolution and bitrate in the video description. This information can be especially handy when comparing videos. Enhanced visuals. HDR videos showcase scenes with a greater range of bright and dark elements, resulting in a more realistic and visually captivating experience. This is especially noticeable in scenes with challenging lighting conditions. Color brilliance. HDR expands the color palette, allowing for more vibrant and accurate colors. This is particularly appealing for content that relies on color accuracy, such as nature documentaries or travel vlogs. Future-proofing. As HDR technology becomes more prevalent, investing in HDR content ensures that your viewing experience remains cutting-edge as technology evolves. YouTube has made it easier to find HDR content with a dedicated HDR badge. Here's how to spot HDR videos. Search filters. When searching for videos on YouTube, use the Filters option to refine your search results. Under the Features drop-down, select HDR. This filter will display only videos that support HDR. Video description. Sometimes, creators mention HDR support in the video title or description. Keep an eye out for terms like HDR, High Dynamic Range, or Dolby Vision. Verified accounts. As mentioned in previous sections, videos uploaded by verified accounts, especially those of major studios and production companies, are more likely to offer HDR content. HDR-centric channels. Some YouTube channels focus exclusively on HDR content. Exploring these channels can lead you to a treasure trove of visually stunning videos. Device compatibility. Ensure that your device and display support HDR playback. Not all screens can take full advantage of HDR. YouTube verification badges, which typically feature a checkmark beside the account name, carry several implications. Credibility. Verified accounts are less likely to engage in copyright violations, misleading content, or clickbait. YouTube verifies the authenticity of these accounts, enhancing trust among viewers. Consistency. Established creators and organizations often maintain high-quality content to uphold their reputation and subscriber base. Resources. Verified accounts often have access to better equipment, production teams, and post-production resources, allowing them to create visually stunning videos. Consistent quality. Verified accounts strive to maintain a consistent level of quality across their content. Whether it's a music video, a documentary, or a tutorial, you can expect a higher degree of professionalism. Exclusive access. Verified accounts sometimes offer exclusive behind-the-scenes content, early releases, or high-resolution versions of their videos to engage and reward their audience. Wide range of genres. Verified accounts span various genres and industries, from entertainment and education to news and sports. This diversity means you can find high-quality content tailored to your interests. Identifying videos uploaded by verified accounts is straightforward. Check for the verification badge. Look for the verification badge, a blue check mark, next to the account name in the video title or description. This badge confirms that the account is verified by YouTube. Explore verified accounts. YouTube provides a Verified Channels feature that allows you to explore verified accounts across different categories. This feature is accessible through the YouTube search bar. Review channel descriptions. In the Channel's About section, you can find information about the channel's verification status. Creators often mention their verified status here. Engage with popular creators. Many popular YouTubers, celebrities, and organizations are verified. If you have favorite creators, check if they have the verification badge. Search filters. When searching for specific types of content, you can use the Filters option to refine your results. Under Features, select Verified to filter videos uploaded by verified accounts.